3D printing has become more accessible than ever, but choosing the right printer can still be confusing. Slow printing speeds, complicated setups, poor precision, and unstable frames often frustrate beginners and hobbyists alike. That's why selecting a reliable model matters. In today's video, we're exploring the top 5 best 3D printers you can buy right now, machines designed for beginners, makers, and professionals who want speed, accuracy, and consistent results. From compact entry-level printers to high-precision resin machines, these picks offer excellent performance for different needs. Check the description for product links and updated prices, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 5. EasyThreed Entry-Level 3D Printer. The EasyThreed Entry-Level 3D Printer is designed for beginners who want a simple and affordable way to start 3D printing. This compact printer supports 1.75mm PLA and TPU filaments, making it suitable for basic prototypes, small models, and creative DIY projects. Its lightweight design fits easily on a desk, while the included power adapter ensures quick setup right out of the box. The printer runs quietly and requires minimal assembly, which is perfect for students and first-time users. If you're just starting your 3D printing journey and want a simple machine to learn with, this entry-level printer is a practical choice. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo Multicolor 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo is a powerful 3D printer built for speed and precision. Featuring a Core XY stable structure, it can reach printing speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, making it ideal for users who want faster production without sacrificing accuracy. One of its standout features is multicolor printing capability, allowing creators to produce more detailed and visually impressive models. The sturdy frame helps reduce vibration during high-speed printing, resulting in smoother surfaces and better layer consistency. Whether you're creating functional parts or colorful prototypes, the Kobra S1 Combo delivers professional-level performance. Number 3. Creality Ender-3 V3 SE 3D Printer. The Creality Ender-3 V3 SE is a refined version of one of the most popular 3D printer series ever made. It features the Sprite direct drive extrusion system, which improves filament control and supports a wider range of materials. The printer also includes automatic bed leveling, helping beginners achieve reliable first layers without complicated adjustments. A clear UI display and dual Z-axis design provides smoother motion and better print stability. Known for its reliability and strong community support, this printer is great for hobbyists, makers, and anyone looking for a dependable machine that balances affordability and performance. Number 2. Geeetech M1 Mini 3D Printer. The Geeetech M1 Mini 3D printer is designed especially for kids, beginners, and educational environments. Its compact size makes it easy to place on a desk or classroom table, while the automatic leveling system simplifies setup and reduces printing errors. Despite its small design, the printer delivers high-speed printing and stable performance for small models and creative projects. Another great advantage is that the machine is fully open source, giving users the freedom to experiment, modify settings, and learn more about 3D printing technology. It's an excellent entry-level option for anyone starting their journey in the world of 3D printing. Number 1. The UniFormation GK3 Ultra LCD Resin 3D Printer. Taking the top spot is the UniFormation GK3 Ultra, a high-precision LCD resin 3D printer built for detailed model creation. Unlike traditional filament printers, this machine uses photo-curing resin technology, allowing it to produce incredibly fine details and smooth surfaces. It features a 10.3-inch LCD system, a built-in heating system to maintain stable printing conditions, and an odor filter that helps keep the environment more comfortable during use. These features make it ideal for miniature models, professional prototypes, and high-detail designs. If you want premium print quality and advanced features, the GK3 Ultra stands out as a top choice. 3D printers come in many forms, from beginner-friendly filament machines to high-precision resin printers. The models on this list offer great options for learning, creating, and producing detailed designs. Whether you want speed, simplicity, or professional-level quality, there's a printer here for you. Let us know your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.